Got a dripping Moen faucet that doesn't want to shut off? That's an easy one. Let me show you how it's done. We're going to replace both stems using Moen 1224 stems. You may need a 332 Allen key. Some faucets won't even require this. You'll want a pair of pliers. The size doesn't particularly matter. Some faucet silicone grease, and a razor knife. Start by turning the valves off underneath the sink. Open up hot and cold completely to make sure that the water flow has turned off. We're now going to take our 332 Allen key and place it into the Allen screw on the side of the handle. If you don't have a slot for an Allen key, your handle probably rotates counterclockwise until it comes right off by hand. Go ahead and do the same for both sides. Now pull the handles up and out. Remove the brass nuts that are holding the stems in place by rotating them counterclockwise until they come up and out. Do the same for both sides. Use your pliers to grab onto the top of the stem and pull it straight up and out. This is where you'll usually get some water that comes out of the stem openings. Go ahead and dry up your work environment. Remove the new stems from the packaging. We'll now go ahead and install a little bit of silicone grease on the O-rings. Notice the tab on one portion of the stem. This needs to line up with the groove in the brass housing. Insert the new stems, making sure to push them in completely. Reinstall the brass nuts, making them hand tight, and then snug them down with your pliers. Slide the handles back onto the stems and put them in the fully on position. I like to apply a little bit of silicone grease to the handle screws to make sure they come out nicely down the road if ever needed. Run the screws back into position until they come to a full stop. Turn the valves to the off position. Turn your valves back on, plunge the like button if this has been helpful, and confirm that no leaks remain. Now you'll want to be sure that this will not be a recurring issue. To that end, I recommend checking your water pressure to be sure it's not over 80 psi. I've got a video showing how to do so right here, so go ahead and check that out. See you there.